People ask me all the time, how do you motivate employees? How do you get them to be motivated? You don't. You become the type of leader that people want to be motivated by. It is totally their choice. So whether it be doing personality assessment, so you can find out how the different people that you work with are wired. I like using the DISC assessment, okay? Because it comes down to 4 quadrants. People are either extroverted, introverted, they're task-related, they're task-oriented, or they're people-oriented. And when you can find that maybe you are an extroverted people person, and the employee who's giving you the biggest trouble is the introverted task person, there's a disconnect. So until I can learn the language that motivates this person personally and connect with them on that level, that's where the change happens. The golden rule says to do unto others as you would have done unto you. But when it comes to communicating with other people in the workplace, it's absolutely incorrect. We want to do unto others as they would have done unto them. And coming from that point of understanding, that's how we connect, that's how we communicate.